As you begin to dig up the grave, you hear a sound. A slight wailing comes from the bottom of the dirt. You know not what it is, so you keep digging and digging. Rising from the dirt, the soft soil, comes a monstrosity never seen before. The baby of a giant. It's huge, but still small at the same time. Its body is withered. Its flesh is turned green with mold. It climbs out of the grave. Blood soaks its mouth. Its body falls apart. Behold, the death baby, or the giant murder fetus. Roll initiative. Today, I'm going to show you how to make the giant murder baby fetus. I had a player a while back who played a bard, and he was always a wild card, even in real life. In fact, if he was a character in real life, he would be a bard. I mean, him in general gives very bardic emissions. And I was at church the other day, and I saw him, and I said, hey, what's up? And he pulled out a bunch of little fetuses. I think they're from King Cake. And he had like 8 or 9 of those, and he gave one to me and said, here you go. And I was like, what am I gonna do with this? And then it struck me, I'm gonna make a miniature out of this. More specifically, a giant murder zombie fetus. So I started off by super gluing the baby onto the penny, and then I began to paint. I didn't use a primer because I wanted to get the flesh undertones of it. I started off with a simple tan, though I was going to go, and then I went over it with a very, very light shade of green to give it kind of an undead pigment. I continued doing this, and then I moved on to the blood. I used a brown for some of the old dried up blood, well, actually more specifically a blood red, and then I used some more red paint for the a lot more fresher blood, the fresher blood. This is what it looks like now. I went with a hot glue gun later on, and I added some drips of blood. And later on, you're gonna see how well this turned out. This overall took me about 15 minutes to finish. This is a really, really simple and easy build that's probably very, very cheap. Lastly, I did the ground with some black paint, and here we go. And I'm putting it right next to the gravestone because these two builds can go together. If you want to know how to build that gravestone, check out that video. I'll include a link or a pop-up or something like that in a corner. And here we go. Now you can use this in tons of fun campaigns. It's gruesome and cute. Hey, before you leave, don't forget to like and subscribe to this video and follow Bloodbear Gaming on Instagram. We post a lot of great exclusive posts, some Dungeon Master tips, and some cool NPC ideas, along with a little reminder whenever we make a video. Thank you.